Hello friends, and welcome to day 2 of the Diamine Inkvent Calendar. Yesterday, day 1, we opened up and got this beautiful blue peppermint ink, which is a gorgeous shimmer, and it's this beautiful sort of jade turquoise with a blue shimmer through it. Gorgeous. So now we are looking for day 2, which is up in this corner. Now, yesterday I said I wanted a red colour, and that's exactly what we got. I'm actually really quite excited. So this is Candy Cane, and it's a standard colour, which means there's no shimmer, no sort of extra bits and pieces to it. So let's see how this one looks. Now I'm just using a brush to swatch my inks. Candy Cane. I had a feeling it was going to be red. Had a feeling. And that is a beautiful candy cane red. Look at that. That's lovely. Now, as I said, it is a standard ink, so there's no special effects to it, but it is a beautiful candy cane pure red. And that is lovely. Again, in the 7ml bottle. So, do I have predictions for tomorrow? To be honest, I don't. But think maybe either something that is green that maybe references evergreens or firs or trees, or something that is really blue that may be, given that, you know, this is obviously very wintry, something that references ice or snow or something like that. So I'm thinking either like a green or like a really blue. So we'll come back tomorrow and see what happens next. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to smash that like button, and please subscribe and hit that little bell to be notified of new videos. You can find me all over social media through Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!